Right, go ahead and get out lesson 12. You know what to do. Go ahead and do that sprint first. And when you get done, then come back to my video. Today is Wednesday, and today is Friday, but we're doing the one that says Wednesday at the top, lesson 12, okay? All right. So on your sprint today, you were breaking down the number 9 and getting really good at adding all the things that go to 9. Now today, we're going to talk a little bit more about how to find a missing number. So on our first story today, we have a story, let's make it about Emmy today. Emmy went to the library and got 7 books. So I'm going to share my screen with you, and we're going to draw a picture. And if you want to get out your whiteboard and do it with me, that would be awesome. Just make sure we got this going here. Like the focus there. There we go. Okay, so she got 7 books at the library. Let's draw her picture of her books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then she got some more books, but we don't know which one it is. It's missing that number. When she got home, she had 9 books. So we're going to use counting on to solve our problem. We're going to say this number, and we're going to count on, and when we get to 9, we're going to stop. So say 7, get in your brain ready, 7. Use your fingers to count on. 8, 9. And we got to the number 9, and so we stopped. Try it one more time, ready? 7, 8, 9. Hey, only 2 more books. So we could draw 2 more books right here. So our equation is 7 plus 2 equals 9. Now, if you've gotten so good at your math facts that you just knew 7 plus 2 equals 9, then you wouldn't have to count on. You could just say, oh, she has 7, and then she had 9. I know that she must have had 2 more. Okay, today, let's get to our worksheet. Today's problem set. Go ahead and write your name on the top of that. Get ready. Figure this out. So we're going to find the missing number in our stories. In this story, it says there are 3 books. And then in the backpack, there's some more books. So we have 3 plus something. Altogether, there's going to be 5 books. That's our big number. So how do we figure out how many are in the backpack? Well, some of you might just know the answer because you might know what 3 plus something that equals 5. But if you don't just know the answer, then let's use the count-on strategy. Say this number right here, 3. Count on till we get to 5. 3, 4, 5. Hey, 2 again. 3 plus 2 more equals 5. And we can check our work and make sure that that's right by looking at our fingers and saying 3, 1, 2, 3 plus 2 more equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 5. Okay, let's take a look at the next one and see if we can find the missing number. We have some cupcakes here. Oh, we have 5 cupcakes. Now there's some more in the box. Altogether, there are 9 cupcakes. Let's use our count-on strategy again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got to 9, so I stopped. How many more did I count on? Yep, 4. Counted on 4 more. So I know that 5 plus 4 equals 9 because I used my count-on strategy. Some of you might not have had to use a count-on strategy. Maybe you've already memorized that and you know that 5 plus 4 equals 9. If you did, that's awesome. You can do these super fast. Bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 bananas. There's some more in the bag. So 4 plus some more equals 10. Now I hope that you get to the point with tens at least, that you know all the partners that can make 10. If you don't know that yet, I want you to go back and practice it some more. You can practice it on IXL. You can make yourself flashcards. Do whatever you can so that you know right away without having to count on with your fingers that 4 plus 6 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Doesn't matter which one we say first. We can say 4 plus 6 equals 10 or 6 plus 4 equals 10. But 6 and 4 are partners of 10. That's a good one to memorize. 4 and 6 equals 10. Turn our paper over. We're on number 4. Kate and Bob had 6 balls at the park. Kate had 2 of the balls. How many balls did Bob have? So listen again. Kate and Bob had 6 balls at the park. That's our big number. Together they had 6 balls. So look at right here where the equal sign is. Now where am I going to put that 6? Think about it for a minute. You're right, because the big answer always goes by itself on one side of the equal sign. So here is where I put 6. Now Kate had 2 of the balls. So we're going to put a 2 right here because we know that Kate at least had 2 of them. How many balls did Bob have then? Should we use our count-on strategy again? Here we go, ready? We're gonna get to 6 is our big number. Our part of our number is already 2. Put it in your brain. Say 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. So our other part of our number is 4. Yep. 2 plus 4 equals 6. So Bob had 4 balls at the park. Okay, good job at using your count-on strategy. Let's try the next one. I had 3 apples. My mom gave me some more. Remember, some and some more problems are always plus. Then altogether, I had 10 apples. How many apples did my mom give me? So we're missing a number. One of our add-ins is missing, but we know the answer. Now, look carefully at it. Where do I put the answer? Yes, I put it by itself on one side of the equal sign. So we're going to put the answer here. Altogether, there was 10. Now, before her mom gave her some, she had 3. How many more does she need to get to 10? And again, this is one of our partners of 10. If you don't have this memorized yet, I want you to practice a lot and say 3 plus 7 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 7 and 3 are partners of 10. I don't even want you to have to count on anymore with those ones. I just want you to memorize them. 7 and 3 are 10. We just said 6 and 4 are 10, and now we're saying 7 and 3 equals 10. Good, practice those until you have them, because you know what? We use them a lot. And so we want to make sure we know all of our partners of 10s, very important. Mom gave me, of course, the 7 apples, because we know 3 and 7 are partners of 10. Okay, let's take a look. I'm going to read your exit ticket, and then I'm going to let you do your homework. Draw a picture and count on to solve the math story. Bob caught 5, I'm going to underline that for you, 5 fish. John caught some more fish. They had 7 fish in all. So their big number was, one of their parts were, how many fish did John catch? Bob caught that many. Altogether they had 7. How many did John catch? Try to do this one without anybody's help, okay? Write your name on it. Show pictures. Pictures work really good. I would draw a picture of this many and then make sure you have this many at the end and see how many more you had to draw. Okay, and you have your homework. This one is kind of like yesterday's, where they're showing you a 5 card, and then you have to make the other card. So you have 5 plus some more equals 7. The mystery number is, I'll do this first one with you, ready? 5, 6, 7. The mystery number is 2. You could put 2 dots or you could put a 2. So the mystery number is 2. Okay, so make your cards that go together with each equation. And on the back, you get to read it or have somebody read it to you, and then you're going to make your cards that go together and then make an addition sentence that is true. Okay. It looks like they have all of the equal signs on the right this time, so all of your big numbers go in these boxes. All right, thanks, boys and girls. I'm super proud of you. You are so scholarly. It's so fun to see you on Zoom because I can tell that you are trying hard, and I love it when you try hard.